All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another weekly setups, right? So I'm done analyzing over 20 pairs using the fxalexg set of forget strategy, and these are the best pairs that we are going to be looking to trade next week, right? So coming over to my screen right here, as you can see, the very first pair is GBP card, and here was my ideology behind this pair. So if you look at this market structure, you can clearly see that this is a clean area of interest where price has rejected multiple times before. So as you can see right here, price reacted from this level, reacted from this level, reacted, and is reacting right now. But this market structure is clearly bullish because now we need price to be trading above this area for us to potentially hold it, use it as support to actually continue buying from this market, right? Weekly is also, you know, bullish, and the 4 hour time frame, well, we still need a little bit more price action, but right now the market structure is bullish. So we'll be looking to wait for a break and retest on the 1 hour time frame. When price has that break and retest on the daily and coming back to the area, then on the 1 hour time frame, we look for shift of structure and engulfing and all the confirmation to potentially buy all the way to this next daily structure point, right? So that is the first pair. The next pair is GBP USD. So GBP USD, in this case, we have two area of interest that price could potentially hold, right? We are looking to buy this market, but price, we need a retracement back into this area to buy, or back into this area to buy. But I actually prefer back into this area because I just feel way more confident buying from this area than buying from this area, right? But this area could potentially hold too as well because it has held price before multiple times, right? So we'll make a decision about that on the Telegram channel, of which you can join if you come over to the YouTube and click this link right here, and then you click on this link to join the Telegram, right? So that's the second pair I'm interested in taking next week. Euro USD, sorry, not Euro USD, NZD USD. You have a very strong area of interest on this market. After analyzing, I realized that we need a deeper retracement to around this level to potentially buy, right? Again, I'll update you guys on the Telegram. Euro GBP, we are still going to be taking our game plan of last week, right? We need a cleaner break and retest under this level right here, this minor level right here, to potentially sell, right? And then the last, not the last pair, sorry. And then another pair we have is GBP CHF, right? GBP CHF, until price start trading above this strong area of resistance, then I'll look for reasons to hold this resistance as support to potentially buy GBP CHF, right? For now, we have a lot of indecision right here. I am not interested in buying or selling right now, right? Until price does this. And then the last pair we have for this week is Euro AUD. So I'm waiting for a potential retracement back into this level right here to potentially sell, right? So I like this pair very well because it has a very clean market structure, clearly breaking lows, right? And right now we need a retracement to potentially break a new low, right? So these are the pairs I'll be paying attention to next week. So subscribe to the channel, guys, absolutely free, and I'll see you guys in the next video.